See now, science. What was the contribution of ancient Indian text in the field of science? We shall see now. Indian medical science is known as Ayurveda. Perhaps the biggest contribution of medicine is Ayurveda. It has a very old tradition. It seeks to understand the symptoms of an illness, its diagnosis and treatment. Also, much thought has been given to prevention of illness. Prevention is better than cure, that you know very well. So, preventing measures for preventing the diseases were also clearly stated in the ancient texts of Ayurveda. Jivaka was a well-known Vaidya at the court of King Bimbisara. The Charaka Samhita contains detailed information about clinical diagnosis and pharmacy. It was written by Charaka. Charaka Samhita was written by Charaka. The famous surgeon Sushruta has discussed the diagnosis of different ailments and their remedies in his treatise the Sushruta Samhita. You have already learned this aspect in English. The importance of this text is that it discusses the different causes leading to injuries, fractures, their types, and the various types of surgeries required for them. The text was translated into Arabic language and was called Kitab-i-Susud. Vagbhata also wrote many books on medical science. The Ashtanga Sangraha and Ashtanga Hrudaya Samhita are the most important of them, which were composed by Vagbhata. The Bauddha Bhikkhu Siddha Nagarjuna in his book Rasaratnakara describes various chemicals and metals. If you see here, one picture is given. In the earlier page itself, you observe later. Mathematics and astronomy. The ancient Indians had studied mathematics and astronomy at great depth. You know, who contributed 0 to mathematics? Indians only. Indians were the first to use the numerals 1 to 9 and 0. When you write Roman numbers, you will understand how difficult it is to write. But we have introduced 1 to 9 and 0. They invented the concept of decimal system, in which the value of a digit changes according to its place. Ekam, Dasham, Shatakam or Shatam, Sahasram, like that. The ancient scientist Aryabhata wrote the book Aryabhatiya, which included many formulae for mathematical operations. Aryabhata was also astronomer. He stated that Earth revolves around the sun. Varahamihir wrote famous text Panchasiddhantika in the 6th century AD. This text discusses principles of Indian astronomy along with principles of astronomy from the Greek, Roman and Egyptian civilizations. Texts of the mathematician Brahmagupta, who lived in 7th century of Common Era, were translated into the Arabic language.